Have you noticed your knees feeling stiffer than they used to? Do your hips ache after sitting for just a few minutes? Or maybe climbing the stairs has become more difficult than it was a few years ago. Most people think this is simply a normal part of aging. But what if the real problem isn't just your age? After the age of 60, your body begins producing much less collagen, the protein that keeps your cartilage, tendons, ligaments, and joints strong and flexible. As collagen levels decline, your joints lose their natural cushioning, making everyday movements more painful and difficult. The good news is that certain fruits are naturally packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and special enzymes that help your body produce more collagen while reducing inflammation. Today, I'll reveal the 4 best fruits that can naturally support healthier joints and improve mobility. And be sure to stay until the end because the number 1 fruit is one of the richest natural sources of collagen-supporting vitamin C in the world. Before we go further, comment below your age and where you're watching from. I read every comment, and it helps others see they're not alone on this journey. Let's get started. Number 4. Kiwi. Don't let its small size fool you. Kiwi is one of the most powerful fruits for supporting collagen production. A single kiwi contains an impressive amount of vitamin C, which your body absolutely needs to produce collagen. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't build or repair healthy connective tissue. Kiwi also contains a unique enzyme called actinidin. As we age, digesting protein becomes more difficult. Even if you're eating eggs, fish, or chicken, your body may not absorb all the amino acids needed to repair muscles and joints. Actinidin helps break down protein more efficiently, allowing your body to use those nutrients to repair damaged tissues. For the greatest benefit, enjoy 1 or 2 fresh kiwis with breakfast. Number 3. Pineapple. If swollen knees or stiff hips slow you down, pineapple may become your new favorite fruit. Pineapple contains bromelain, a natural enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is one of the biggest reasons joints become swollen, sore, and difficult to move. Bromelain helps calm this inflammation, allowing your joints to move more comfortably. Pineapple is also rich in manganese, a mineral your body uses during collagen production to help strengthen connective tissues. Fresh pineapple contains the highest amount of bromelain, so try adding a few slices to your breakfast or enjoying it as a healthy afternoon snack. Number 2. Blueberries. Blueberries may be tiny, but they're loaded with compounds that help protect aging joints. As you grow older, harmful molecules called free radicals gradually damage collagen and cartilage. This process, known as oxidative stress, speeds up joint aging. Blueberries are rich in flavonoids called anthocyanins, the same compounds that give them their deep blue color. These antioxidants help protect collagen from damage, reduce inflammation, and support healthy circulation, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your joints. Fresh or frozen blueberries are excellent choices. Just avoid sugary blueberry syrups and juices. Number 1. Amla, Indian gooseberry. The number 1 fruit for rebuilding collagen is amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. Amla contains one of the highest concentrations of natural vitamin C found in any fruit. Even more impressive, its vitamin C remains highly stable, allowing your body to use it effectively. Vitamin C stimulates special cells called fibroblasts. These cells are responsible for producing the collagen fibers that keep your joints, cartilage, tendons, and ligaments strong. Amla also contains powerful antioxidants that help protect existing collagen from breaking down. It's no surprise that amla has been valued for centuries as one of nature's most powerful fruits for healthy aging. Here's the most important thing to remember. No single fruit can repair years of joint damage overnight. But when eaten consistently as part of a healthy diet, these 4 fruits give your body the nutrients it needs to support its own natural repair process. Whenever possible, eat these fruits fresh instead of drinking them as juice, and include them regularly in your daily routine for the best results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments, which of these fruits will you add to your diet first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.